In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the rotate command. So lots of ways to get to the rotate command. Right now I'm on the home ribbon. I'm going to go to the modify panel and the rotate icon is right here. You can also go to the modify pull down and you can find rotate here. You can type RO, enter, or you could type in the entire word, rotate, enter. Again, lots of ways to get to any one command in AutoCAD. There's no right way or wrong way. You do what you feel comfortable with. I'm going to click on the icon here on the modify panel, start the rotate command, and select objects. Just like the rest of the modify commands, if I start the command first and then select the object, so verb noun, then I have to press enter when I'm done selecting the objects. I can select multiple objects here. AutoCAD doesn't know when I'm done selecting. So at this point, I'll press enter so that it can move on to the next step. And right here it says specify the base point. Now this is the one point in space where that object is going to stay put. It's like I'm holding my finger right there at that point and the rest of the object is going to spin around that point. So I'll go ahead and select this bottom endpoint here. And now you can see I'm visually rotating that object. The base point that I selected is the point that's kind of pinned down, like you got a little thumbtack and you held it down there. And it's just looking for what angle I want to do. So I can visually rotate to whatever angle I'd like to set it to, or I can type in an actual angle. So I'll type in 45 here, press enter, and it took this whole object and it rotated it up exactly 45 degrees. I do recommend typing in a real angle because if you just visually kind of rotate it, you don't know what angle you rotated it to, so it's often hard to get it back to the original rotation or the original alignment. So that's it. That is the rotate command.